You cannot succeed if you don't believe in yourself. Hi, welcome to Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Successful salespeople possess self-belief. Having self-belief is about being confident in ourselves to achieve something. It is different from arrogance, where we think we are better than others. Everything has to start with believing in ourselves. When I first started my career as a sales trainer, I doubted myself. Questions like, what makes me think that I can train others? Am I qualified? Would anyone engage me to train? Just these self-defeating thoughts were enough to cripple me. Then I attended a library talk by this young lady who is a life coach. She is only in her early 20s, but she's already coaching people in their 40s. When someone asked about how she compared herself against her other giant competitors, she said something that blew my mind away. Her response was, I don't compare with others. I believe that I give value to my customers. Here I was, almost double her age and experience, but I was still doubting myself and my ability. I learned an important lesson on self-belief that day. I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing today if I haven't believed in myself. Know your strengths and work towards developing them. Always remember, if we don't believe in ourselves, who will? I would also like to leave you with this famous quote. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you'd like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Do remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always get the latest update.